Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Ha 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 ha! This story sweet yo. Oh gay. Now this matter correct. Now I want jump put. I say if I don't talk for this matter, I don't go complete. I go gather my information, see so. When I remember Ajikalu the time where he say Peter Obi make Igbo people not waste their vote on and say Peter Obi not get structure. He said Peter Obi not get structure to win the presidential election. Say make them not waste their vote. Because they talk all this so that APC go see am, make them forgive am Senate president. Breaking this again. Wait, me I keep that one. Last week, this man boss cried. Nigeria, this country is not fair to some of us. Oga, if you are on waiting you saw that you repo. The good news be said today. Akpabio na they call shoes as the Senate President. Congratulations, Akpabio. Well done. Ajikalu Afa, you go sell your brother so that you go be Senate President. How far I can be now? May I tell you, if you dey sell your brother or your sister at the person where you dey sell am to, he no go trust you. Karma don't follow you now. You don't dey reap what you sow, just like Ikwere Madu. The time where Peter Obi dey campaign, they talk anyhow. Today now, in dey prison, they reap wetin so. Yes, yes, that's good for all of you now. That's good for all of you now. Even if say you don't want to support your brother, must you come they talk bad about him? Must you come they fight for it? You come they discourage people when they not vote for him? Say no need to waste your vote. You can imagine. You don't even take and say, for the first time your person they campaign for presidency. You not as in bad belle can enter you. How far now? If I they celebrate for what happen, I they celebrate. Congratulations, Fabio. My people, they could watch the rest video more than a year. More details about this Ajikalu. More than a year. When this matter happens is there, I decide to keep quiet. Because I found another information where I wanted back up. Made for sweet. Today, one now, I can't sweet me say, they don't appoint, they vote, what do they call him? Senator Akpabio as the Senate President. Congrats. Watch the video, guys.
The truth. In John 11:35, it says, Jesus wept. Last weekend, we saw another man weep at the floor of the Senate, Oji Ozo Carlo. The question is, why was he crying? Why did he weep? Let us take another look at that video. I'll be right back.
So in this Senate, before I came to the Senate, before I came into politics, I can buy anything body can buy. I'm not a thief. Those that put me in prison know the reason they put me in prison. They took over all my businesses. and want to kill me. But I survived it. I'm in the Senate with you people. It's not the end to what we have done. It's not the end to United Nigeria. It's not the end to Brothers Keeper. But these senators I called were with me. I never lacked. When the PDP that I was governor for 2 terms was being formed, I brought every money they used in forming that party. Every penny in 1997 and 98. And I later became a thief. And people I gave transport money from my house in VI became angels. This is what Nigeria represents. I want to thank my colleagues for giving me these 4 years of uninterrupted support. Because this country is not fair to so many of us. I built this country, I employed 13,800 workers. People employing nobody. And nobody asked them their source of wealth. I have 3 factories in Lagos, Nigeria. I have 2 factories in Ota, built manufacturing. I have 3 factories in Aba, manufacturing. And I'm a thief. And people that cannot explain where their source of wealth comes from, they are not thieves. I leave everything in the hands of God. May God be the judge.
Good. You've seen it? What can you make of it? Jesus wept according to the Bible, seeing the pain of his friends and the suffering of the people. Feeling the pain death had brought upon them, Jesus wept. Oju Zokalo wept. But for what reason? That is a question I have been asking myself. I have watched this video over time and I only saw a man weeping because he felt shortchanged. I saw a man weeping because what he felt entitled to is being denied of him by those whom he helped to attain power, to grab power. He felt left behind by the party. He sold his brothers in order to please or pledge his party loyalist or loyalty. He believed that it was also his turn.
Question is whether will I run? Yes, I'm ready to run for Senate President if the party zone it to my zone, because the party is supreme. Whether they want to zone it, they should zone it to my village, so nobody will contest it against me. I don't even want them to zone it to the south. The party should zone it to Igbere in my ward. So because I'm the only senator from there, you can manufacture another senator from another local government or from another place in Abia. So I would like the party to zone it to me with my name to be Senate President because it is my turn.
According to what their Baba, the Jagaban, said, and today he is occupying Aso Rock. To him, he deserves to be the Senate President. And that is why he's weeping, because he's not the choice of his so-called party. This is a lesson to anyone who sold the interest of his own people and put his own interest forward, personal interest, as against the interest of the general public. Now let us review a few things. Before the whipping, there was dancing. We all remembered this very dancing. But I can tell you, my people, The same old Jews or Carlo, during the time there was an argument for or against electronic transmission of results, this same man said this.
Senator Kalu Oji Uzo. Senator Kalu Oji Uzo.
No, you allow me, Mr. President and my colleagues. I'm coming. I'm going to vote. Every member of this Senate believes in electronic voting and electronic transmission. Allow me. You cannot shout me down. For God's sake, you can't shout me down. Unless you want us to sleep here. You cannot shout me. You cannot shout me down. It's either you allow me to talk or we will stop here. I vote because there are no coverage in my village. There's no coverage in my village. Senator Baribe knows that there is no coverage where we come from. I don't want anybody to make a political point where we come from. There's no coverage, as such, I vote no.
Can you imagine, in a 21st century as we are living today, you know, get network, you didn't cry because of it. You didn't cry for your people who could not have network. That ordinary transmission of results, you said, would be impossible in your own constituency. In the generation where everything revolves around it. Education, how can students have proper education without good network? How can hospitals even run without good network? How can business thrive in this 21st century in your constituency without good network? You did not weep. No, but you were dancing. I will advise Ojo Zokalo to reserve his tears, or perhaps we may borrow you a bucket to cry your tears in full. But I can tell you that whoever sold his brother his bias will not trust him. That is just my take. You can be politically correct, but this is just a word in a marble, a word of wisdom, an advice, and also a lesson to learn. Not just for Jose Carlo, but the rest of you. It is turn by turn. Nnamdi Kanu will say, and people agreed with him, go and serve them and come back in tears. I believe that is the popular saying, and I know many people will agree with me on that on the comment section. But the truth remains that whatever we do, let us put public interest ahead of personal interest. That is the only time your weeping will make meaning. I'm also Chinedu Peters. I am an advocate for good governance. I weep for the suffering Nigerians. I weep for my own people, whom their lives have been shortchanged by corrupt, infested government led by corrupt political class. I will remain consistent in fighting for a better life for everyone.
Mostly Abadio scored 63 votes. Godswill Abadio, who has received the highest number of votes, is hereby declared and returned President of the Senate.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.